Hi guys, today I'm reviewing LG Q70 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. Now to do that, we should first get the Ampere app from the Play Store, and now here in the search bar enter the Ampere. Now tap to install to get this application and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close, then to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery temperature, so that's at the 30 degrees. Also we can see here another info like the battery capacity, health, voltage, model of the device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.